This video shows the trick to convert any recurring decimal to a fraction. So 0.32121. The 21 is recurring, circle it. Now, first of all, we try to move the whole circle beyond the decimal point. So I want to move this 1, 2, 3 places. So if I do 1,000, lots of x, my number, it becomes 321.21. It's moved 3 places and the circle part is moved beyond the point. Secondly, move the circle so it just touches the decimal point. So move it just 1 place. So if I do 10x, I get 3.2121. So I've moved it so it just touches the decimal place. Then, to finish off, I find the difference, I subtract. Because something clever happens. 1,000 take away 10 is 990x. 321 take away 3 is 318. But the point is, all the 2 ones that go on forever and ever and ever after the point, they all cancel off. So it just becomes 318. So the fraction just is 318 over 990.